Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Many times it so happens that we will have some confidential information in our Excel file and we don't want everyone to access our file. In such cases, we want to have our Excel file password protected so that those folks who knows the password can only open it. So in today's video, we are going to learn how can we make Excel file as password protected. Here is a sample file with some confidential data, which is basically the customer's credit card number, right? We don't want everyone to have access to the credit card number details, so hence we want to protect it. So as a first step, we have to resave this Excel file. Let's go ahead and resave it. File, do save as, select the folder. Once the save as window appears, do not directly save it. Instead, go to tools, click the drop down, go to general options and then provide password. You have two options here, password to open, which basically prompts you to provide a password before the file gets opened, and there is password to modify, which basically prompts you to provide password if you want to edit any information available in the workbook or in the Excel file. For the time being, let's provide both. Let me provide 123 as a sample password. 123 123 again, click OK. We'll have to reconfirm the password, hit OK, reconfirm it again, hit OK. Now let's save it as customer details protected version 2. Hit save. Now the file is saved, and now let's try to open the file and see if it asks for a password before opening. Open the file. So it asks for a password before opening the file, right? Provide the password, hit OK. Again, this password is for whether you want to open it as a read only or you want to edit it. Let's provide the password again, click OK. Now you have access to all the details in the file. So that's how you can protect a file with a password. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, share the videos and subscribe to my channel to get more and more such useful tips. Until my next video, happy learning!